You can
Right,
start
right.
and start recording so that the ones who have not joined due to exams or something, they can you
Okay,
can float the URL and all the things.
okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you. Next, Afzal, start the recording. Okay. A very good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Welcome
afternoon.
to the good afternoon. Welcome to the Ideal College of Arts and Sciences, Kakinada. Okay, thank you for the opportunity for providing. At the same time, Rupa Tananti, founder and CEO, India Spark, having a 14 plus years of experience incubating startups like Campus Tantra, Boli Mirchi, and India Spark Accelerator, which was in partnership with Silicon Valley of empowering building early stage startups. Ma'am, Rupa Tananti having a very much experience, work experience in founder and CEO at India Spark Ventures from since 2016 to present date. Areas of expertise: startup incubation, investment in startups, CXO thought leadership forms, diversity chapters, technology accelerators, HR and recruitment, career coach, industry academic interfaces, and having other skills also: nurturing startups, skill advisory, entrepreneurship and monitoring, excellent problem solver, policy think tank, women diversity board member, advisory education councils, and so on. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the given opportunity to our students by India Spark collaboration with IBM. And one more resource person is Sir. Welcome, Rahul Rajput. Welcome, sir, to the Ideal Group of Educational Institutions, Kakinada. Rahul Rajput is designated as a technical lead India Spark, handled most prestigious technology-based projects of Amazon, Microsoft, Google, GIT, Hub, Alibaba Cloud Developers Circle 2021, Alibaba Global AI Challenge 2020 in the past, and now working as a project lead for IBM OpenTech. His expertise at technical skill sets of artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, blockchain technologies, and so many. Sir, welcome to the Ideal Group of Institutions, Kakinada. Please share your knowledge to our students. Thank you, ma'am. And this session hand over to Rupa Taneti. Please be taken.
Thanks a lot. That was a lovely introduction, Mr. Mohan. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Chiranjeevani Kumari, who is the secretary and a correspondent of Ideal Arts and Science College, and Dr.
Ranjit Merla. Hello.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Oh, could you hear me? Yeah.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So I would like to thank, first of all, Dr. Chiranjeevani Kumari, who is the secretary and the correspondent of Ideal College of Science and Arts, Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, and also Dr. Ranjit, who is also director academics, and Mr. Mohan for giving a privilege to organize the 1 hour session of IBM Skills Build program. And it's really a lovely interaction with the students. I hope so it will be after the session gets winded up, last 15 to 10 to 15 minutes, when we'll have a question and answer round. Then we'll try to interact with the students for any doubts. So initially we will explain you what is this IBM Skills Build program all about, what are the benefits as a students from the non-technical core you're going to achieve from this, and how you are going to get registered, how it's be accessible, and can enhance your employability skills. So, wasting no more time, I'll introduce our two speakers for the session. One is a technical lead, Mr. Rahul Rajput, and one is Ms. Deepti Shettigar. She is an academic outreach manager from India Spark. So, I give an opportunity for Deepti to take this over. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, good afternoon, everybody. Before going ahead with this boot camp, I would like to give you a short introduction about India Spark. What is India Spark all about? So, India Spark is a edutech startup connecting students and young professionals with global industry leaders like the CXO level people in order to empower the workforce ecosystem at India. We are happy to announce that with a wide outreach of 4,500 plus colleges in 20 plus states of India, today we are here to execute the prestigious boot camp of IBM Skills Build. It is a privilege to be here, and I really appreciate the management for giving us this opportunity and going ahead with this boot camp. So, taking this forward, it will be taken by Rahul Rajput, who is our technical lead. He will be explaining you all the details. What is this all about? How to register? Everything will be told by him. So, Rahul, I'd hand over to you. You can kindly continue with the session.
Thank you so much, Dipti. And thank you, sir, Mohan sir, for such a great introduction.
Yes,
And
sir.
a very good afternoon to all the students who have joined this session. So this is Rahul Rajput, technical lead, IBM Skills Build. And today in this boot camp, we are going to learn about this IBM Skills Build and how it is going to help you in employment. Okay, so we are going to start with today's session, and definitely after this session you're gonna have a very, you can have the skill set. You will know, I'll walk you through some of the most amazing features of this IBM Skills Build, and most importantly how this free digital learning platform can help you to enhance your skill. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen, and please let me know if it is visible to you, so that we can quickly jump to the agenda of today's bootcamp, and then we can start this session. Is my screen visible to all?
No, sir.
Okay, let me just.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So we just quickly jump to the agenda, and we'll just have a look of like what is this IBM Skills Build all about. So guys, IBM Skills Build, before we start the session, I have a very important announcement to make. So see, on sometimes you'll see the portal like it is as a open PTech, and somewhere you'll see it as a skills build. So let me tell you, dear students, this open PTech has changed its name to IBM Skills Build for students and educator on July 7, 2021. Okay, so in case you encounter these two names, so treat them as same, because there's no any kind of difference. They just changed its name from Open PTech to Skills Build. Okay, so this is what I just wanted to convey. And let's just quickly jump to the agenda of today's bootcamp. That first we'll try to address like what is IBM Skills Build all about, and most importantly, how this platform can help you to take your career to the next level by learning some cutting-edge technical and as well as professional skill. So, and I'm really sure, guys, that you are bubbling with a lots of questions in your mind, like how this IBM Skills Build is really very helpful for you in terms of job, in terms of skill build, and something like that. Okay, and second, we're just gonna learn about like how you can enroll yourself or register as a student. So I'll walk you through the whole process of registration, And at the end, most important thing, like how you can complete your digital badge course on IBM SkillsBuild, because that is really very important, because the badges that you will be having in your hand just after completing the course, that is professional badges. And by having that badges, once they'll attach to your resume, definitely it is going to have a different value. Okay, so we will just quickly go through these questions. So at first, we will just try to address you like what is IBM SkillsBuild all about. Okay. So SkillsBuild is your go-to resources for industry-backed digital learning on emerging technical and professional skills. Through it, you can build your foundational tech and professional skills and jumpstart your career exploration, all through engaging self-paced courses. Okay. So this is a quick idea about this IBM SkillsBuild, and in other words, if I would just like to say it, so it's a free digital learning platform that can help you to enhance your technical and as well as professional skill. Okay, so it's a free digital learning platform by IBM where you can enhance your technical and as well as some professional skills like agile work methods, communication, etc. Okay, so this is all about this IBM SkillsBuild. So having said that, I'm sure you must be wondering with a question in your mind, like there are lots of free digital learning platform available in the market. So what makes this platform stand out and what makes it apart? So by respecting your feelings, we have this answer of this question that you have in your mind, like what makes this platform a standout platform? The first and the most important thing here is that you will have a privilege to try your learnings on some live projects so that the concept stays with you. Okay, so that is one of the most important features that this IBM SkillsBuild, SkillsBuild have, that live projects. Once you engage yourself, once you enroll yourself in any of these cutting edge technical or professional skill, let's say AI, cloud, or something like that. So you will have, once you complete the course, you will have your teachers having privilege to provide you with some live projects. Now, apart from that, you will have some customized activities, and most importantly, when it comes to skill building, you should have a customized roadmap. So this IBM SkillsBuild platform, come up with this amazing feature of customized roadmap. So in case you just want to upskill yourself, let's say on AI, ML, cloud, so you should have a customized roadmap, and this portal have a customized roadmap for you. Now, apart from this customized roadmap, you will have the channels like career spotlights, career planning, and career vintage, etc. Okay, so that you can take your career or to the new heights. So these are the channels that is definitely going to help you in your career development. Okay, so this is the thing that makes this stand out. And by respecting the agenda of today's boot camp, so as per discussed, I'll just try to help you like how you can enroll yourself on this IBM SkillsBuild platform. Okay, so for that, sir, I would like to request you kindly provide us the volunteer who will be sharing the screen and helping us in this process of registration.
Mr. Mohan, you can just assign any one student volunteer who can share the screen.
Share the screen. I think yeah, I'm sharing, ma'am, because students are using mobile phones.
Okay, you can share then.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So kindly drop that URL in the chat box, and all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
students kindly do it parallelly along with us.
Yes, ma'am. Just now I'm giving the link. Okay. Please verify at the chat box, students. Yes.
So dear students, before we start the process of registration, I have a very important announcement to make. The first thing here is that, guys, you just have to register yourself using the customized URL that is particularly for your university. And I hope you must have got this link, this URL. So using this URL, you just have to register yourself. Don't try to register yourself by going to the portal itself, because if you just try to do that, that registration will not be counted at all. Okay. And second and the most important thing is, you just have to use your personalized Gmail ID. Don't use the ID that you have received from your college or university. Okay. So they keep the by keeping these points in mind. So I'll help you like how you can register yourself using this unique URL. So in order to register yourself, you just have to click on the link, and there will be a form that will be open in front of you. You just have to fill that, and then we'll just guide you right from there. So, sir, please, if you could share the screen so that we can guide other students as well in this process, that would be really great.
Rahul, are you comfort?
Pardon?
Are you visible my screen?
No, it's your screen is not visible, Mr. Yeah, right now it's visible.
Okay.
Yeah, now let's get you set up. Click on that, Mr. Mohan.
Okay.
Yeah. Rahul, you just guide him so that the students do it parallelly. You can use your, system or the mobile to do this.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So, dear students, as you can see
And
right in front
here,
of you,
first name, last name, you don't give this software development. It should be your first name, last name, and your personal Gmail ID. Yeah. So you'll enroll here as a student.
So, students, as you can see, as per as per your Gmail, it will take your name. So, if your Gmail is not proper, like some students make the name, not make the name properly on the Gmail, so it will take the name automatically. So,
Yeah,
do
Mr.
correct it
Mohan,
manually.
1 second. In the first name, you had given the initial. Elaborate that initial. It will not accept like this. Yes. And here, don't give software development ideal at the Gmail. You give your personal Gmail ID.
Yeah, I'm registered on that mail, ma'am. That's well. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But students are used their personal email IDs. Okay.
No, you also can use your personal because you're registering here as a student, and you also can do any module out of these technical skills.
Okay.
Yeah, as a faculty, you can enroll as a student and you can do the modules. So you use your personal Gmail only.
Yes.
Don't use the Spock generic mail ID which is provided to us. Use another Gmail of personal one of yours. Okay.
Right.
Kind of issue, so we can just solve your queries right away. So that's why do the things parallelly and do as per instructed.
I think Vignesh could share the screen. Is Vignesh over there? He left.
Vignesh?
Or any one individual can share the screen.
Okay.
Yeah. You continue. If it's fine, you continue, or else you can ask any student.
Okay. Ma'am, now I'm continue. There is no issue. Okay.
Okay. You have to register using the URL which we have provided.
Yes, madam.
Just zoom the entire window. The students are not able to visualize this.
Okay. Now all are okay, ma'am?
Yeah, it's fine. Now click on this link. Yes. Now you add like a normal student, you add all the details one by one. Your personal mail ID and everything step by step, and so that they also can follow the same.
Yes. Student.
Go to the last option. Yeah. No. You should go. There is an option of college or so in the last.
Okay.
Yeah, university. Yes.
Okay. What is the
You go for IBM Skill Builds website. Yeah, anything website. Yes.
okay?
Cross check before doing the registration. You have to add
Yes.
on your phone number, that every field is entered properly, then you register.
Okay. Yes. English. Select the language English. Next. What are the technical skills you needed?
Just wait,
Blockchain,
Mohan,
cloud
Mr.
computing,
Mohan. Rahul would be explaining slowly so that students can understand.
Yes.
So
Yeah, yeah.
Rahul,
Okay.
just explain them at this
So,
phase.
guys, as you can see, first you have to register yourself using this link. And once you register yourself, you just have to activate your account. So how you gonna activate it? So once you register, you will have a success message. Just kindly go through your Gmail and just click on the Gmail that you have received from the IBM. So once you click on the go to IBM Skills Build, you will have the interface where you have to select your in language. So where English will be already selected, so you just have to go with the default one. And at this first step, you will have to select the areas of interest. So the skill set that is visible in front of you, it is all the areas of interest. So you can choose the areas of interest. It could be AI, blockchain, cloud, and even in workplace skills, you can just choose communication, critical thinking, etc. Okay, so this is your areas of
Yes.
interest. So sir, you can go ahead by choosing the areas of interest you have. And I hope, dear students, you also are doing the things parallelly. Okay, so in case you have any issue, just let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. So you just go to that same tab. Yes, and you can just select your. Yes, so as you can see, so dear students, as you can see, you will receive an email like that. So where you have to select your language English, and then you just have to click on next. I hope the process is quite clear to you. You can just click on go to IBM Skills Build. And once you click on that, you'll be landed to this page. And after you land to this page, you just have to go with the default one, as English is already selected over here. And so please click on the next. So at the first step, you just have to go through the areas of interest. It could be anything based on your interest. Okay. So you can select the areas of interest you have. You can select as many as you can. As so, this is as simple as that. And I hope dear students, you are doing the things parallelly. And have patience, guys. I have a very important thing to share with you at the end of this session. So for now, you can just go through the process, and after that we will discuss all the things that you're gonna have with this IBM skills build for students. Okay.
Rahul, please be explain on expand your horizons.
So yes, so expand your horizon is nothing but, so it is a kind of a thing that you can just to enhance your skills. So yes, you have the workplace and there's some technical skills, but in case you just want to expand your horizon, that means you want to learn something extra. So as you can see, these are some design, art, illustrations, and you can have a media, money games, etc. Okay, so these are the things where you just need to enhance your knowledge by learning some skills that is out of the box. That is all about this expand your horizon. Okay.
Next, continue.
Yes, yes.
If completed. Students, if completed, then click the continue. If you have any queries, please let it be know.
So, so you can click on continue.
Okay.
So as you can see, guys, this is a profile that you have to go through. Like you have your name and you have your Gmail ID, etc. Now you can just scroll it down. Yes, you can do that as well.
Okay, done.
Yes, so you can just click on done. And I hope students, you all have done this registration, and so you can skip the tutorial since we are here to help you out, guys. So you don't need any kind of tutorial. And yes, so this is the interface that we are expected to have. So here it is in front of you. So the process is quite easy. You just have to fill the form and then you just have to activate your account. Okay, so that as simple as that. And I hope you all have done the registration parallelly. So, sir, thank you so much for helping us out in this registration process. And now onwards, as I have already, promised you guys that I'll walk you through some of the most amazing features of this IBM Skills Build, and most importantly, how you can enhance your skill using this platform. Okay. So now onwards, I'll be sharing my screen, so you can stop your sharing. And thank you so much. So I'll be sharing my screen and I'll walk you through.
Okay. Okay. Right.
The portal itself.
Okay, sir. Okay. So you carry on.
So I hope my screen is visible. Yeah, is my screen visible to all? Hello.
Yeah, sir, visible.
Yeah. So dear students, as you can see, you will have an interface like that once you register yourself successfully. Okay. So now I'll tell you how you can enroll yourself in any of these courses that is provided by exclusively by IBM. Okay. Now, as you can see in the navigation bar at the top of this website, you can just click on course catalog. In recommendations, you just have to click on course catalog. So once you click on the course catalog, you can just click on any of these cutting edge technical skills. So as you can see, these are some technical skills like AI, blockchain, cloud computing, cybersecurity, etc. And apart from that, you will have the workplace skills, that is agile work methods, career planning, communication, creative thinking, etc. Okay, so you can start your learning by enrolling yourself in any of these activities. And yes, guys, most importantly, that I just want to share with you, see, these content is created by IBM, and this is the first time they are offering to you students, because earlier it was not in the access of the students. This is the first time they provide the same material that they used to give their employees. So usually this kind of material that you're going to have on this IBM Skills Build is generally given to the professionals, like the employee of IBM. Okay, so I hope that makes sense for you guys, and I'm sure you're gonna love the content on this portal. So let's say I'll tell you how you can enroll yourself on any of these courses. So for example, you just want to kickstart your journey of learning artificial intelligence. So what I'll do in order to enroll myself for any of these activities, like any of these courses, so I'll just simply click on that. Okay. So once I click on that, you can go through the quality of this platform, so even if you are a beginner, even if you do not have any idea of this artificial intelligence or cloud or cybersecurity, so they provide you the foundational course. So whether you are from a technical or a non-technical background, you will have a better understanding of these technical skills. So if you're a beginner and if you just want to kickstart your learning with AI foundations, so you just before going further, you just need to go through the earning criteria. Okay. So why it is important? Because the badge that you are going to have, it depends on the earning criteria. So as you can see, pass the end of the course assessment with a score of 80% or higher. That means once you score more than 80% or higher, after that only you will be eligible to these professional badge that is generally given to the employer of IBM. Okay. So you're only eligible for the badge once you score 80% or higher. So that's why it is really important to go through the earning criteria. So now I'll tell you how you can get the content on this course. So you just have to click on actions, and once you click on actions, you just have to click on view in Credly. Okay. So once you click on this, so you'll be landed to this page of Credly. And yes, you can see this amazing professional badge that you guys gonna have once you complete the course with a proper desired score that has been asked in the criteria. So in earning criteria, you just have to click on complete AI foundation course. Okay. So once you click on that, you will have an access to the modules that you need to complete. So as you can see, you have different kind of modules over here, like what is AI? This is of 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, and something like that. But at the end of this session, like at the end of these modules, you will have this AI foundation final assessment that is for 30 minutes, and in which you have to score more than 80% or higher in order to get this professional badge. That is definitely going to help you once you attach this in your resume. Okay. So now I'll tell you like how you can get the content. You just have to simply click on the module itself, and you just have to click on go to this activity. So where do you have to click? You just have to click on go to this activity. So you just have to click on agree and agree to the terms and conditions of these IBM SkillsBuild. So yes, so see guys, this is the content that you have to go through in order to get this badge and in order to enhance your skill in artificial intelligence foundation course. Okay, so if I'll just walk you through the content, quality content guys. So as you can see, you'll have text, you'll have videos, you'll have audios. So it is a blend of all kind of material. So it would be a text, it would be a reading material, it would be a video, it would be a recorded lecture, or you'll have the things like that. So it is not like other platforms like Coursera or like edX, where you have like recording lectures, and once you complete the course, you'll have the badge. No, in this IBM SkillsBuild, you'll have the content that is really very nice, and once you go through that, you definitely, I'm sure you're gonna love the content, because you will have reading material, audio material, and of course you'll have the recorded lectures. Okay, so this is the quality content that is generally given to the employers. So this is what you have to go through, in order to get the badge. So let me repeat the process of getting the content again. So you just have to click on the like a module in which you have to enroll yourself. You just have to click on actions, then click on view in Credly. Once you click on that, you'll be landed to this page. As you can see, this fantastic badge of IBM. So you could just have to click on complete AI foundation course, like in earning criteria. Once you click on that, you just have to select the module. So once you'll go through the module, as you can see the module name over here. So you just have to click on go to this activity. So once you will click on that, you'll be landed to the content that you have to go through. Okay. So I hope that is quite clear to you guys, like how you can get the content on this IBM SkillsBuild platform. And yes, now it is time to introduce you the most important part of this session, that is how you can get this badge. Okay, so that is really very important. Now I'll just walk you through my PPT that we have. So what is a digital badge? So digital badge is generally a validated indicator in accomplishment. It is a accomplishment in the skill, quality, or interest that you can earn in various learning environments. So what I mean by various learning environment, guys, see, there are myths going around, like, the badge that you can earn, it is only in technical skills. But let me show you one thing. You can earn these professional badge in non-technical skills as well. For example, you will have the workplace skills, and if you'll just go through the Agile Explorer, you will have this badge. Okay, so do not confuse yourself that you have the badge only for the technical skills, but yes, you'll have the badge for the non-technical skills as well. Okay, so this is what I mean by saying that you can earn in various learning environments. And now the question stand here is how you can claim your digital badge, because this is really very important when it comes to getting a job. Okay, because that is an accomplishment you have to show to the recruiter, like, yes, you have this digital badge from this IBM. Okay, so now question is that how you can get that. But let me tell you guys, claiming your hardened badge and showing off your accomplishment to the world is really very easy, because you do not have to do anything extra in order to get your professional badge. Why so? Because once you complete your course, you'll receive an email from IBM saying that you have to claim your badge. So once you'll complete your course, you'll receive an email like this. I hope my screen is visible to you, so you can see this. You'll receive this email within 24 to 48 hours once you complete this course. Okay, so once you complete the course, you do not need to do anything extra in order to get this badge. You'll receive an email, and once you'll click on accept your badge, you will see your digital badge out there. And once you see your badge, you'll see the options where you can share your badge with anyone you'd like and wherever you'd like. Okay, so this is a similar kind of a badge that you'll have. So you can share your digital badge on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, email, or embed them in a website, or you can embed them in your digital resume. So, and definitely these professional badges is going to help you and have a lots of value once you attach them on your resume. So that is all about these digital badge. So having said that, guys, as I have already promised you, like these badges, and I have already told you, like these badges are the professional badges. Okay, so for you guys, I have a live examples to show you how these badges are really professional badges, and I'll show you some live post of LinkedIn where the professionals who are professionals of IBM, having the same kind of badge that you're gonna have once you complete the course. So let me just share my screen again and show you some live post of these professionals, so that you will have an idea like how valuable these badges are. And most importantly, you are getting these badges for free. Okay, so you cannot take it for granted like this is free and that has not any value. Let me tell you, it is having a lots of value, as these badges are generally for the employers. Okay, so let me share my screen again, and yes, here it is. So I hope my screen is visible. So as you can see, as I have already gone through the portal, so you can see this Agile Explorer badge. Now this same kind of badge is earned by HRSS student of IBM. Now you will have an idea like these badges is really for the professionals, and this is first time, and you are lucky enough, guys, you have this opportunity to grab this professional badge, and you can take your career by upskilling yourself by taking these professional badges. You can take your career to the next level. Okay, so now I hope that makes sense to you guys, and I tried my best to help you understand this portal. And in case you have any kind of query regarding this portal, we are open for the queries, and you can just ask the queries if you have in your mind, like what is this portal and how these courses are gonna be. Okay, so if you have any question, please let me know. We have few minutes to address your queries.
And Rahul, just share them the LinkedIn badges that the students have secured.
Yes, yeah, we do have. Thank you for reminding me, ma'am. We have
And
these.
also the last dates of registration and module completion. Okay.
Yes, definitely. So, guys, yes, here it is. So, as I have already told you guys, so once you go through the modules, so you will have, it's a mixture of this reading material, of video lectures and some audios. Okay, so you're gonna enjoy it. But the thing is that once you're gonna enjoy it, you'll have a collection of badges. Now, what you're gonna do with that? Because once you try to share each badges, one by one on your profile, that becomes odd. Now, to overcome that situation, I have this very important feature for you guys. Like, you can create your claiming badge account where you can collect all kind of badges. So, for example, this particular student has created a claiming account where instead of sharing one badges again and again, he just created account and share the link of the profile. So as you can see, this particular student have earned 18 badges, and he has not shared all the individual badges, differently. So he just create an account and have this collection, and he just share the link of this profile. Now, if I'm a recruiter and I just have to go through these professional badges, so what I need to do? So I'll just click on the verify. Okay. So if you'll see, you can see this badge is issued by IBM, that is International Business Machine, and since it is a recognized badge from IBM, so it doesn't need any introduction. So you can have an idea, guys. So if I'm a recruiter and I'm just going through the skill set you are having and the badges you are having, so definitely it is going to have some value. And yes, most importantly, guys, you just have a deadline for the completion of the badge, like these courses. So you'll have, like, you just have to, last date of registration is 25th of this August. You have to register yourself on 25th of this August, and the last date of module completion is 15th of September. Okay, so let me repeat it. You have to register yourself before 25th of this month, and you have to complete at least one small module, okay, before 15th of September. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And now we are open for the queries if you have about the courses that you are going to have on this IBM Skills Build platform. So we are open for the queries, guys.
Students complete the registration,
Yes,
and before 15th of September, at least one module.
Sure.
So they might be doing with Microsoft and others, but it's
Yes.
entirely a new and a 100% learning platform it is.
Yes.
There they'll get an approved digital badge, which is generally given to the employees of IBM, which can
Yes.
enhance their professional, skills and employability.
Yes.
That's the unique feature of this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So we
Then
hope that there will be a smoother execution, maximum participation. I understand they had given out their 1 hour precious time having their exams from 20.
Okay.
Avail this opportunity and complete the modules 15th of September.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, one more thing. These are all for only first semester students, ma'am.
Okay, you're not introducing to the other semesters?
And not last year introduced this course, ma'am.
Okay.
Software.
IBM Open BTech you have introduced?
Not introduced. TCS Ion. Other
companies
platforms are used. Yes. From
Okay,
Microsoft used.
So this one you can introduce to other streams and other semesters also.
Yes, ma'am.
And not only confine it to the first year.
Yes, ma'am.
So that others maximum, the final year students are more, will have a good advantage in their employability skills if they do that.
But our college last year introduced this in the software development course, ma'am.
Okay.
So this is the first batch.
Oh, that's fine. How many students are there in the first batch?
Yes, ma'am. 46 members, ma'am, out of
That's
50.
it. Okay. So ask at least 46 and circulate to the other streams also, and let's see how many take an interest to participate in this.
Yes, ma'am. Totally, this video uploaded in our class YouTube channel, ma'am.
Okay.
Then other students, other department students are also interested to use it.
Yeah, sure. You can do that. Okay.
Okay.
And thanks once again for organizing this boot camp of 1 hour. Thanks a lot for all the students who participated in boot camp right now. Thank you.
So thank you all. Thank you, sir. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you to the Rupa ma'am and Rahul sir and Deepthi. Thank you for the good opportunity given to our students. Hope we are doing best based on your prospects. Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Students, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.